They took the whole car but left me the bumpers. Yep. Here we go. Oh, there's a cop. You scared chase from the cop. Not me. Yeah, probably you. He's chasing somebody. Oh, it's baby. How is true Spielmann. Anybody got a swerve trouble? What if the guy do out? Got it coming. You know, I just don't get it. This car weighs 1,000 pounds in the wash. Should I say this car acts like a tank with it? Wait! We good. Yo, what just happened? Everything everywhere all at once. Why you in my way? Yo, the biker just dropped. No, he didn't just drop. Fuck you. Oh, he took out. What the fuck? Oh. Hey, yo! Yeah. Me and Drew up here avoiding the mayhem. Bro, car left out from the other side of traffic. Oh my god, hell. Oh shit. Stuck. No! What's wrong with you, bro? Help me! Oh, I told you need to fix the physics. It's not the physics, it's fucking... What's going on? What the fuck? It's two Mustangs, bro. I see a cop. Where did you go? I'm over here, this is me. In the middle of the fucking meeting trying to stay alive.
A few moments later.
Okay, that was the physics of the car that died. You said what?
Really have to get close to those walls.
Yeah. He lost the top of his fucking truck! Oh my god, dude, as soon as I make the slightest left, you're right, I feel it now. Crazy to the left just a little bit, car said no. Oh! That was his fault, he bumped into me, he had that coming. Oh my god.
I'm scared of you.
You should be. I don't know what's going on. This man just full set. Yo, where did we go just now? Was that a trip to hell is back? That was wicked. At least my OBS ain't taking shit. I captured all that. Of course not. We were taking the shit for OBS.